Have you ever felt a pinch when your friend or your loved ones has more achievements than you? The pinch is not a literal pinch, but you start feeling jealous of them. Here's how that pinch can push you to your apex. Jealousy is a natural emotion, but it can be transformed into inspiration with the right mindset. Success doesn't have to be only financially. It also includes academically, in their relationship, their skills, and talents. Here are some steps to help you make that positive shift from jealousy to inspiration. 1. Acknowledge your feelings. Be honest with yourself and recognize that feeling jealous is a common human experience, and it doesn't make you a bad person. Secondly, identify the source of your jealousy. What triggers your jealousy? What aspect of their lives do they seem to be doing well, but you are struggling with? Understanding your trigger would help your mindset focused on that particular thing and not being envious of them. After detecting what triggers your jealousy, the third step to transform your jealousy to inspiration is to learn from them. View the person you are jealous of as a source of learning. It could be the way they relate with others. It could be the way they handle matters intelligently. It could be their composure, poise, and aura. Whatever you are jealous of, you should use it as a source of learning to improve on yourself and not to hate or backbite them. Another way to turn jealousy into inspiration is to celebrate their success. Your celebration should be genuine and not lip service. When you are genuinely happy for others, it helps shift your mindset from the one of scarcity to the one of abundance, and you'd be working towards achieving similar success. How can you transform jealousy to inspiration personally? 1. Set your own goals. Use your feelings as a motivator to set personal goals and work towards it. For example, someone is performing well academically. Instead of being jealous and wishing them negative, you too can perform academically well when you start taking your studies more serious and devoting time to gain more knowledge in that field. With this, you have transformed your jealousy to inspiration, which is good. When you study to become sound academically, you are working on improving yourself and becoming the better version of yourself. Transforming jealousy to inspiration is an intentional act that is to your advantage. The reason some people feel jealous of others is because they do not appreciate what they have. Gratitude can reduce the feelings of lack and increase the feelings of contentment. Let the achievements of others inspire you to reach your own start, rather than feeling overshadowed by them. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else, Chapter 20 is not fair to you. Use the success of others as a guide to your own way forward. In conclusion, jealousy doesn't have to be a negative force in your life. It can be a powerful motivator, a mirror reflecting what we most desire and what we can achieve. By recognizing jealousy is a natural response and redirecting its energy towards personal growth, you can transform jealousy into a positive drive for self-improvement. Don't feel like a bad person when you notice you are jealous of someone. Rather, identify the trigger and use it as a stepping stone to your own success. But if you notice you are jealous of someone and is desiring what they have materially, that kind of jealousy is negative and can make you commit atrocities. Be jealous for your success. Be jealous for your personal improvement and not for your doom. We have heard of many instances of people killing others they were jealous of. That kind of jealousy is negative and should be gotten rid of before it escalates to something more serious. Transform jealousy into inspiration to become the best version of yourself. This channel teaches about personal development and life improvement, helping you to live a healthy and fulfilled life amidst life's problems.